Hey, what's up guys, Gamer Princess here. So I'm gonna show you how to install preteen mod. So basically I see that some people are saying that they're having trouble uh trying to download the game or whatever, trying to get it to work. So basically you just go here, um right here. Um so how does it work? When a child ages up into teenagers or get preteen trait. Oh, okay. So I don't really follow any of this. Honestly, I just go into the game and I put the cheat on and then just give them the traits. So I don't even wait for the child to grow up to be into a teenager and all that. I don't really do that. Right? I just use the cheat and get it that way. So basically, so they're saying that there's two versions and you only have to pick one. It said there are now two versions of the mod. So the middle school and then there's junior high school. So you only choose one. Um well, the team's already in a save into a breed. No. Okay. So basically, like it says here, you only choose one, middle school or junior school. Um, so it has these three things that you can do: apply body spray, deodorant, and lotion. It says required packs, so make sure you have Snowy Escape. If you don't have it, you would be missing it. Animations. Make sure you have Parenthood, and also mod requirements is I can't this person right here. Make sure you have this mood pack right here. Um, so this is the mod conflicts. So there's conflicts with this mod. So you just go to download, and it's gonna take you to Patreon. You scroll down. Y'all, I have so much shit on this computer. So you scroll down and you will see preteens, and you just click here. So you need to download General Pie menu also. So you click here. It's right there. So you can download Preteen for Scratch or Preteen Base. When you download Preteen Base, you're gonna see the two different versions, and you choose which one you want. Don't add both, just one. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the game. I already have my game up already. So I already turned her into a preteen. So I'm gonna turn her back so I could show you guys what I did. So I just clicked on her, and you will see preteen here, and you go to settings, preteen base. So I'm gonna press remove preteen trait because I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. Okay, so I removed it. She's back to her normal size, right? So you click on her again, and then you go to preteen settings, preteen base, and you want to add preteen trait. So there she is down again. So now you're gonna be able to see what's to call it? Um like if you click on, I believe it's preteen and add body spray and whatever, like what they showed you. Preteen base again, you can shrink height. Why would it say add preteen trait when I just gave it to her? Anyways, that's it to it, really. Um, yeah, like I don't see something else, really, unless I'm missing something, but I don't think I am. Let's give her an illness. Give her parasite. Eating disorder. Oh, that's really chronic illness. She can have asthma, so we give her asthma. Oh yeah, that's a different mod, you guys. But anyways, yeah, I'm going off topic, but yeah, that's it. That's all it is to it. Thank you guys for watching Gamer Princess.